Hey there, Dudes and Foxy Dudettes. Today we've got a special video for you. We're going to be talking about Shinesty underwear. My balls have never been more supported. Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel we cover a whole bunch of topics trying to elevate you to that well-rounded status. Today is no different. Actually, that's a lie. Today is very different because we are doing this video without pants on. We're promoting a company called Shinesty. A great company, great underwear company. And we like the product, so what better way to do this video than in our underwear?
Commando.
So the great thing about Shinesty, at least I think, is the quality of the underwear that you're gonna get. As guys, sometimes our underwear gets neglected. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. And you really gotta step up your game with great underwear. And Shinesty is a great company, great product. The underwear is really soft, some modal cotton. But the great thing about it too is that they offer women's underwear as well. And they have a great couples package that you can pick up, you know, if you wanna get spicy with that Foxy Dudette. What a better way than to have matching underwear, right?
That is true.
Okay, so I can talk to you about the underwear, at least from a guy's perspective, but I figured we would have Foxy Dudette Sarah talk about the underwear from a women's perspective.
The underwear, especially the seamless thongs, are wonderful because they are laser cut, they're seamless, so they don't show under your clothing, and what's nice is they are like stretchy and they mold to you so they don't like pinch in the fat on our hips. They're just super comfortable and they stay in place, and they're like kind of like unthongs because they're thongs but they're really comfortable.
Okay, so they would compare up to other brands.
Oh yeah, I mean these are like really, I mean honestly, unlike any of the other ones that I've had because they don't pinch in, and like really it feels like I'm really not even wearing underwear, which is always a plus.
So how long have you been a customer of Shinesty?
I actually discovered them about a year ago, and I've got a couple pairs that, you know, when my outfit calls for thongs or that underwear look. So I've been using them, yeah, for about a year now that I've been wearing their underwear. So
Cool.
It's definitely a good product. So when you like mentioned it, I'm like, oh, I've got some of those.
Sweet. And they hold up very well?
Yeah, definitely. I've had them like over a year and I continue to wear them. And now Chris got me some new ones. We can match.
You're welcome. So the cool thing is that even if you're not into thongs or you're not into strictly boxer briefs, you can get a bunch of different kinds. I personally am a trunks guy. I prefer trunks.
I personally like usually go for like boy shorts, but Chris insisted I wear the thongs, so
Wow.
I got the thongs.
Wow, you know.
Actually though, the thongs are like probably my best choice though out of all of the underwear because they're seamless. So I don't like anything that like pinches in where I don't need pinching. Shinesty, they also give you the option of cheeky, bikini, or boy shorts.
Yeah. Guys, you can get regular briefs or boxer briefs or trunks. Really, the sky is the limit. You can even choose if you want to fly or not. So, the little joke that was on earlier that I mentioned was like my balls have never felt more supported. It's true. Shinesty has a ball hammock. That's their thing. As you can see here,
It supports these plum tomatoes
yes,
wonderfully.
yes, with ease. You'll feel supported. You'll feel comfortable throughout the day. It'll keep you dry. Trust me, you know.
You won't have your balls sticking to everything.
Yeah.
I mean, not that I know, but I would think that has to be awfully uncomfortable down there.
It can be. But well-rounded tip of the day, make sure you use a nice ball powder. But, or, you know, Just make sure your tomatoes are set, you know.
Prop. Nice.
So like I said before, the cool thing is that you can mix and match. You can get a couple set. I think that's very awesome. You can just order for yourself or just for the lady. You know,
Yeah.
the ladies can choose or whatever.
And you can do a subscription and save each month.
Yeah, a couple subscription is roughly about $28, which is good.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, you save up to like 35%.
Yes, yes. And you can save a little bit more with our discount code WellRounded10.
Woohoo!
It'll save you $10 over an order of 30. So
Oh, that's awesome.
yeah, stock up a little bit more and you know, you have some great underwear.
Yeah. Nice clean underwear that are pretty colors.
Model soft underwear. So yeah, big thank you to Shinesty for sending over our matching set here.
The Big Bang.
Yes, if you guys can see, I'll include a close-up on the screen. You can see that the stars are doing naughty things to each other.
And his glow in the dark.
Yeah, they do. It's really cool.
I really wish mine did. Shinesty, take note. Girls want glow in the dark panties too.
Very cool. But yeah, like I said, we've been a fan for a while, and I mean, you know, we've got the health class. That's what we're sporting.
Yep, we match.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. You know, we are pantsless. And be sure to check out Shinesty. Once again, thank you for sending over some product. And be sure to use that discount code WellRounded10 to save you a little bit of money on some great underwear. Right?
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna order some.
Cool. What you gonna get?
I don't know. The denim ones were cute. There's a lot of options.
There are, so be sure to check them out, guys. And with that, we will catch you next time. So please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 will save you 15% off your total purchase. And we have a podcast. You can listen to the podcast now?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
thank you.
That is nice.
Thank you. We're on most of the major popular networks, so be sure to just ask your smart speaker, hey, you know the names, I don't want to trigger them for you. I want to hear the Well-Rounded Dude podcast, and you'll be able to listen. All right, guys, and on that note, I think we're going to go put pants on. We're going to go put pants on?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
The neighbors would appreciate it.
It's probably a good idea. So we'll see you guys later. Peace.